Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where we make drawing fun and easy. Today, we're going to draw a playground slide and then color it bright and beautiful. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and your color pens, and let's get started. Draw a triangle shape at the top. This will be the roof of the playhouse. Now draw 4 straight pillars below the roof, 1 at each corner. These will support the house. Make the pillars longer and draw them reaching down to the ground.
La da 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 dee.
Add a railing between the pillars at the top part of the playhouse to make it look fun and safe. On top of the roof, draw a small triangle flag waving in the wind. Draw curved lines coming from the side of the house down to the ground. This will be the slide. Now draw a rounded base underneath the slide to show where it touches the ground. On the side of the playground, draw a cute tree with a trunk and leafy branches.
La da 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 dee.
Around the playground, draw some fluffy clouds in the sky. Let's add a happy sun in the sky. Draw a circle with rays coming out. Don't forget to add eyes and a smiling mouth to make the sun look super friendly. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now let's make our drawing even better. Go over all the lines with your black marker, making the outline bold and sharp. This will make our playground slide pop. Look how nicely it stands out.
Yay!
Now, it's time to bring it to life with color. Show your color pens, and let's name the colors as we color. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la.
Blue color.
Yay!
Purple color.
La
Yellow color again. Orange color again. Great job! Your playground slide looks amazing and bright. Awesome work, everyone! Look at that beautiful playground you created. Keep practicing, have fun with your art, and don't forget to share your masterpiece.
Yay!
See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.